I found that some movements are similar to fitness warm-up exercises. What's the difference?
The movements might look similar, but the methods are different. In fitness exercises, you use a lot of muscles and the movement usually goes very quickly. For example, fast-paced side-stepping, jogging on the spot, knee lifts, squats, shoulder rolls, etc. So your breathing goes short and quick with the movement. We don't want you to build speed in body movements in Qigong. We want you to slow down. And you don't need to be precise about where to place your arms or legs. Instead, we want you to mind your movement. For example, in fitness, you raise your arms, which is a simple physiological response. In Qigong, your awareness should initiate before and during your arms are raised. So Qigong is to train your consciousness to lead every movement. The key is not the movement, it is your consciousness. And when you involve your consciousness, your ability to mobilize Qi will be enhanced. That's why you can still practice Qigong even if your body can't move. But if you move your body without consciousness, it's just a fitness exercise, not a Qigong practice.